This is the 2017 Royal Enfield Himalayan, and this is how it goes. Sporting a 411cc single-cylinder engine, it's surprisingly zippy, with enough get up and go to get you where you're going, and it's comfy enough for lengthy commutes. It is relatively fuel efficient. I get approximately 3.5 litres per 100 k's. It handles off-road conditions well. Until it doesn't. All in all, I've been quite happy with the Royal Enfield Himalayan. Been riding it for almost 2 years, and I love every moment, apart from all the little issues that I had with this bike, but they were pretty much unique to me. If you have any questions about the bike, pop me a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer it for you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button. And why not subscribe?